Question 6 is supposed to be graphing linear functions, but the exercises 20 to 25 is just to find x and y intercept. But anyways, I'll just graph one equation over here. So it's to find the x and y intercept of the graph of each function. Now they have clearly not mentioned anything to graph, but the graphs might be given, or you might have an equation. You need to find the x and y intercepts. So let us do this. So first step, you need to remember to find x-intercept, y value will be equal to 0, and to find y-intercept, the x value will be equal to 0. Now these are two different things, okay? So here in this equation, the same equation, I will write phi x plus, to find the x-intercept, I need to have the x value because x is equal to something. But what about the y value? It is 0 equals 15. The same thing here. Now, in y-intercept, I need to have y value, not the x. X will be 0. It will be 5 times 0 plus 3y equals 15. And now I'm not going to solve this. You can't solve it manually. This becomes 0. Divide everything by 5. X is 3. But if it's a complicated equation, and since it's multiple choice, I'll just show you the calculator method. This much is compulsory. It's a must for any problem to find x and y intercept. Now all you do is phi x plus 3 times 0. I'll write it as it is. 3 times 0 equals 15. You just have to press shift, solve, and then equal to. The answer is 3, isn't it? So here in the left side, the x-intercept, x value is 3. If you do the method also, it will be 3. Phi x equals 15 because this is 0. Divide both the sides by phi, x is 3. Now, what about the right side? Again, here only just change. This time x value is 0, and wherever you put y 0, right? Just put there x because we have only one variable, whether it's x, y, z, you put it as x variable because that means it's y, okay? Now shift and solve and then equal to its phi. Here you can solve it and you'll get phi itself. So that's the answer. You can see x-intercept is 3 and y-intercept is 5. Now how to graph it? Let me just graph it. If at all you have been given a coordinate, see where is x-intercept? On the x line, right? X-axis, y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, somewhere over here, make a point. Where is y? So 1, 2, 3, let me consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this point. All you need to do is take a scale and join these 2 points accurately, and that's the answer. This is it. I hope this is clear. So this would be the graph. So graphing is very simple. Or if you have been given a graph like this, say imagine this is 1 to 3 and imagine this is about 0.5 or half. Then these both are intercepts. Y-intercept is 3 and x-intercept is half. If a graph is given, it's very easy to find the intercepts. But if an equation is given, you need to put it as x0, y0 for certain x and y intercepts and then find it out. I'll do one more problem. Let me look into a tough one. Okay, these are, okay, I'll do this one. Here as well, all you need to do is for x-intercept y equals 0. So here 6x plus 2 times 0 equals 8. That's the first equation. And for y-intercept, x is 0. So all you do is 6 times 0 plus 2y equals 8. And now you just put in the calculator and solve. Here you need to put 6 times x. I'll write it as multiplied times, or you can even write without, it's fine. Plus 2. If you want to put the brackets, absolutely fine. It will be considered as multiplication itself, or you can just write multiplied symbol. Equals 8. Shift and solve. The answer is 1.333. This is important. I'll show you what will be the options in a minute. Now here at the right side, the same equation, isn't it? Just change this to x. So it's x. And then over here, this x, you just have to multiply it by 0. And then press shift and solve. Here the answer is 4. So y-intercept is 4, whereas the x-intercept is 1.333, right? Y is 4. But you won't have options of 1.333. Why? Because see over here, if I put 1.3, let me put some many numbers of 333. If I press equal to, what's the answer? It's 4 by 3. Or if you want in fraction, proper fraction, it's 1/3, right? So this is the answer. Now, if you're thinking, okay, 1.33, how is this? You can use your calculator to check the answers. You can easily tell y is 4, correct. But what about this symbol, this over here, x-intercept? You can check it by pressing shift and the fraction symbol. Now press 1/3. What is it equal to? It's 4 by 3 or 1.333. So this is how we can match the answer. Now please don't press half and then write some number. This would be wrong. You have to press shift and fraction symbol for whole number and fractions. Now over here at the left side, 2, 1.5. So it's 1 by 2. And the answer is 5 by 2 or 2.5. Same way over here. Lastly, I'll just show you. It'll be 3. And over here we have 2. And lastly we have 1 as the whole number, minus 1. Now I just changed it because I already have used shift and fraction symbol. Once you use it's fine. And the answer is 1.66. Minus 1.667. So please make sure you press shift and this fraction symbol and then solve it up. So that's how we would solve it. And over here, these are again pretty straightforward problems. You just put in the calculator and then easily solve them up. That would be the end of question 6.